So I have finally spent one successful night at a camping site. Not in these tents, but a luxurious wagon, which is there. अब क्योंकि ये मेरा पहला टाइम था कैंपिंग अराउंड मुंबई, दिस इज़ नियर पावना लेक. So if you can see, that is Pavna Lake behind me, but the huge blue color of the lake and sky is matching, तो आपको शायद differentiate नहीं कर पाएंगे. But the temperature dropped to 15 degrees Celsius. तो हमने क्या क्या preparation की, ये सारी जानकारी I will share in this video.
लोनावला के सीनिक रास्तों के बाद थोड़ी ऑफ रोडिंग होनी ही है टू रीच एनी कैंपिंग ग्राउंड अराउंड पावना लेक. और पहुंचते ही यू आर ग्रीटेड विद गर्मा गर्म बेवरेज विद डिलीशियस स्नैक्स.
And I'm going to give you a tour of the property where I'm staying. So what is glamping? What is different than these tents to these accommodation? Yeah, let's get inside and see what we have. One second. So there's this little porch, and this is where we will have our cake, our wines, hopefully barbecue. No, I think barbecue will be there in the dining area. And this is our
luxury camping wagon.
That's not fair actually, but yeah, it's more luxurious actually. You have the bed, and surprise, you have one more option. Oh, it's dark. One second. All right.
Bunk bed setup for kids or one adult. Very cozy.
That's the sink. And that's the shower area. That's me. Yeah, it's decent. It's pretty nice for a camping site. It's really nice. So booking a campsite privately has many benefits, and one of that is you get amazing service because you're the only one to be served, and the food is amazing. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
Anup was a perfect host, sharing his insights of camping business. There could have been no better place to celebrate her birthday. Time for experiencing true camping in a camp tent.
And that's the area. My advice is, अगर आप camping tent book कर रहे हैं तो bring your own extra warm clothes, quilt, sheets, pillows, you'll get it, but socks, extra pair of वार्मर्स, ये सब लाना काफ़ी ज़रूरी है
क्योंकि
ड्रास्टिक टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप जो आपको एक्सपीरियंस होगा इवन इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर, दोपहर में अगर धूप में आपको 28 डिग्रीज फील हो रहा है, रात को वो 50% ड्रॉप हो सकता है. इट वॉज 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस फॉर अस एट नाइट एंड फॉर अ मुंबईकर दैट इज़ अ सिग्निफिकेंट ड्रॉप. तो उसके अलावा द प्राइसेस, सो हाउ मच डिड वी स्पेंड. दीज tents, these camps behind me, they cost 2,000 for one night. It varies. Pavna Lake is a camping site in Lonavala. It's very popular. So on the shore of Pavna Lake, आपको ऐसे camping sites, tents बहुत मिल जाएंगे. These are typically ranging from 1,000 rupees per night to 2,500 depending on the season. There are very few camping sites that now offer you this option of glamorous camping, and they call it glamping. So these are basically on the campsite, but it has attached a bathroom, shower area and a WC. And that's very handy for people who do not want to share a common toilet, which is usually what you get when you book a tent.
let me show you the common toilet. It was clean and all, but it comes down to individual preference.
So I think 4 people can sleep in this tent, and here's the view from this end. So I think that's for one person, and here you have mattress for 2. They can give you one more mattress if you want to accommodate.
इसी के साथ अंधेरा हो चुका था. 7 बजे. इट वॉज रियली डार्क और ये टाइम था बारबेक्यू एंजॉय करने का ठंडी रात में. अगली सुबह वी हेडेड टू द शोर ऑफ पावना लेक. सुबह का मौसम काफ़ी प्लेजेंट था एंड दिस वाज एन आइसिंग ऑन द केक. It was one of the benefit of booking a camping site on the shore of Pavna Lake. The lake merging with the blue sky and giving this beautiful view was something to really enjoy by being there. So this is how we spend our camping night and morning at Pavna Lake in Lonavala on my wife's birthday.